right, starting out our walk down Diana's Bath.
On our walk.
Lots of ice on the trail today, so we'll see how far we end up going.
And they're a U.S. base.
A little bench, we can take a little break here. Here we are, a little break partway through Diana's Bath. Not that you really need one. Time for a little water break for Brandi. Little bridge we get to head over. Brandi's little paw prints. Coming up to the falls, you can hear them.
Why are you looking away?
There they are, off in the distance. We'll get up closer to them in a moment. Brandi off enjoying the water. Even though it's cold, she probably won't stay in there for too long. Surprisingly, she's going over to the ice log. Yes, that is ice on the log. See some more falls up there. Summertime's great, sticking our feet in this water. Cools us down with the mountain water. Perspective from the top, looking down. Nice cap rock. Take me out in. See some of the mountains off in the distance. Brandi's enjoying getting out. It's beautiful. No, I did not fall. Time to head back and go grab some lunch. Brandi! One last view.
How are you?
Is anxiously looking for John. She thinks we lost him, but we didn't. There he is. Now she'll come back. Come here. Last drink of water before we head back down. No? Here comes John. I hear him. She sees him, so she's off. But listen. Not a sound. We are back.